Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of Horilla. In today's video, let's see how we can import assets. So the asset import feature in our asset management system allows users to upload large amounts of asset data such as asset name, purchase date, description, batch number and category from an external source such as an Excel file. This feature streamlines data processing and makes it easy to add large numbers of assets to the system at once, improving the efficiency of asset management process. So let's see how we can import assets into Horilla. So for that, let's go to the assets module under which we have the asset view. So in the asset view, we can view different asset categories that are currently there in the company. And under each categories, we have all the assets that belongs to that category. So we can view the assets by its asset name over here, the status, that is whether it is in use, available or not available. And then we have the tracking IDs of the assets, and then we have batch number. Next, we can see the actions over here. That is, if you want to make any updations to the asset details, we can click on update and we'll be able to perform the updations that we want, and then we can save it. Next, we have the duplicate over here. So if you want to duplicate the asset, we can click on duplicate. And if you want to view the asset report, we can click on asset report. And then if we want to delete the asset that we have added, we can simply click on delete and confirm the deletion from here. So here under the actions, we have create, duplicate, edit, delete for the asset categories as well. And to import assets into Horilla, we can click on the actions over here under which we have import and export. So let's click on import and it will be asked whether we want to download the template. So if you want to download the template for importing the assets, we can click on confirm and the template will be downloaded, and then we can add the details of the asset that we want to import into that template, and we can upload that template into this. So here I have already downloaded the template and added the asset details that I want to import. So for now I'm clicking cancel and let me add the file that I have already prepared. So let's click on choose file over here and click on the file that I want to import. So I've added the file. So let's see what is there in that file. So let's go to the file. So here I have, this is the import template which contains the asset name, description, tracking ID, purchase date, purchase cost, category, status and batch number. So to this template, I have added the details of the asset that I want to import. So these are the asset names and we have the tracking ID, purchase date, purchase cost and all. So let's try to import these assets. So let's go back and click on upload after choosing the file. So here we can see successfully imported assets. So the assets has been successfully imported. So here before we had 44 laptops, and now since we have imported 3 more, we can see the count has changed to 47. So we'll be able to view the assets that I have imported over under this category over here. So here we have the assets. So these are the 3 assets that are imported. So we can see in the file that I've given the category as laptops, and these are the 3 assets. So under the laptop category, the assets has been imported. So this is how we can import assets into Horilla. So that's all for this video and thank you for watching.